Hi, my name is Lizzie Bellamy and I'm the Head of BTEC and BTEC Acting Pathway Leader. The BTEC Level 3 Extended Diploma in Performing Arts Practice is split into 3 pathways: dance, acting and musical theatre. BTEC is a vocational course that gives students outstanding professional training in order to achieve progression routes to HE pathways or the industry, alongside giving them important life skills for any career they choose to pursue. The Level 3 Extended Diploma in Performing Arts Practice is equivalent to 3 A-levels in UCAS points. They are designed as a full 2-year programme of study. This enables students to develop a substantial core of knowledge, including the processes involved in making performances, skills, rehearsal methodologies, processes and techniques. The course gives students many performance opportunities, which are supported through reflective analysis of their process in order to develop a strong foundation to support further training and beyond. There are 4 core modules that are studied, which require written, verbal and practical evidence over the 2 years. Alongside these modules, students have classes to develop skills, knowledge and understanding in their disciplines. Since 2018, 100% of our BTEC learners achieved DDD or above, which is equivalent to 3 A's at A-level in UCAS points. No less than 83% of these results were D-star, 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 which is equivalent to 3 A-stars at A-level in UCAS points. Should you wish to apply, please ensure you look carefully at the audition requirements for each pathway. Further information for each pathway can be found on the map, and we look forward to welcoming you to audition.